Hello, Giovanna here, and in this video I show you how to use to perfection your stencil with Distress Oxide or inks, embossing paste and acrylic paint. So for me, when using Distress Oxide or Distress inks, the best tool is high quality sponge. I use the Ranger cut and dry foam. I just cut in a small square, so you can have more control. Of course, you can use any ink blending tool. So you start always with a lighter color and then blend with a darker color. And if you don't know how juicy is your ink pad, just tap on the lid and then start very lightly and press your sponge as long as you have some ink on it. So this is the best way, and you can get a really lovely crisp effect. Experiment, try with different paper. This is non-porous one, perfect with Distress Oxide, and this is ultra smooth cardstock. These are the cards I have made. And now with embossing paste, for me the best way to use embossing paste and not make any smudge under the stencil is to put the right amount of embossing paste on the top of your stencil and then drag it in one single movement. I know it's not easy, and even I in this video I didn't know how much paste to put, but still, if the paste is thick and creamy, you easily get a nice result. If the paste is too runny, try to add some baking soda powder, and mix very well. So this is the result I get, very crisp again, and with no smudge. These are some Christmas cards I made with embossing paste. And now with acrylic paints, the best tool to get a crisp result with the tail stencil is a stencil brush. This one is from Faber-Castell. See how it works? It's really boring, it's so damn boring. You have to use vertically and just tap until you fill the space. Sponge are perfect for larger surface, but not for detailed one. And now I show you the difference. Now we see the result. Okay, it's perfect with no flaws at all. Now clean your stencil, and I try with a sponge. You know, the trick is to use an almost dry sponge. This is my art journal. So sponge are perfect for larger surface, you know, and are very quick. So put a very small amount of paints and tap on your cardstock. Now I show you the difference with zoom. These are nice, also nice, but the green one is perfect. And now I show you the same with a sentiment stencil. So we're speaking about just 2-3 millimeters openings. And this is with a stencil brush. Okay, perfect, crisp, with no smudge at all. Now clean your stencil, and I try with the sponge. I confess I put too much paint in the sponge, but we see the result now. Unfortunately, very little smudge. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we see you next time. Ciao!